didn't even activate the radios.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Warren County in northwest New Jersey, west central Morris County in northern New Jersey, south central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:28 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Brookhiesville, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
Major fail just happened. Fail. They never sent out the alert tone, so the radios didn't go off. This alert. Severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County.
East Bengal and East Stroudsburg around 11:50 p.m. Delaware Water Gap around 11:55 p.m. Columbia around midnight. Belvedere around 12:05 a.m. Severe thunderstorms produce winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. When thunder roars, move indoors. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Tuesday for the following counties in New Jersey, Morris, and Warren. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey.
Okay. Need to tell them because
Central Warren County in north.
they turn on the transmitter after they sent out the header tones. Therefore, the radio's never activated.
County in eastern Pennsylvania.
Okay. Alright.